Om Namah Shivaya.
Let's start this week's Tech Talk, starting with Xiaomi. Xiaomi is going to launch its Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 and Xiaomi Mix Flip on 18th of July in China. CMF by Nothing launched its CMF Phone 1 in India. This smartphone has 6.7-inch FHD Plus HDR10 Plus support, adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, 2000 nits peak brightness, Super AMOLED display. It has a multifunctional rotating crown, replaceable back with a screw at back and a screw tool in the box. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC. It has LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage. It has 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper. It has in-display fingerprint scanner, micro SD slot expandable up to 2 TB, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, 4x4 MIMO. It runs on Nothing OS 2.6 operating system based on Android 14. It has 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt wired charging and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. CMF Phone 1 is launched in two variants. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is Rs 15,999 and the price of 8GB 128GB variant is Rs 17,999. OnePlus is going to launch its OnePlus Nord 4 with the metal unibody design on 16th of July in India. iQOO is going to launch its iQOO Z9 LITE 5G on 15th of July in India and its few confirmed specifications are here. This smartphone will have 6.56-inch 90Hz refresh rate, 840 nits high brightness mode display. It will have 6GB plus 6GB extended RAM, 128GB storage with 1TB expandable storage, a 5000 mAh battery with a charger in the box, and it will run on FunTouch OS 14 operating system based on Android 14. Redmi launched its Redmi 13 5G in India on its 10th anniversary at the starting price of Rs 12,999. Lava launched its Lava Blaze X 5G with a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display and MediaTek Dimensity 6300 SoC in India at a starting price of Rs 14,999. Redmi is going to launch its Redmi K70 Extreme Edition on 18th of July in China and its first look is here. Motorola launched its Moto G85 5G in India. This smartphone has 6.7-inch FHD Plus 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, curved POLED display. It is powered by Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 SoC. It has LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage. It runs on Android 14. It has 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 plus 8 megapixel ultra wide dual rear camera setup. 32 megapixel selfie snapper. It has 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging. IP52 rating, 13 5G band support, in-display fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. MOTO G85 5G is launched in two variants. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is Rs 17,999 and the price of 12GB 256GB variant is Rs 19,999. Samsung launched its Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 in India. This smartphone has 6.7-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, dynamic AMOLED 2X main display, 3.4-inch HD AMOLED cover display. It runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. It has 50 megapixel OIS plus 12 megapixel ultra wide dual rear camera setup, 10 megapixel selfie snapper. It has 4000 mAh battery with 25 watt charging. It has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth version 5.3, NFC, IP48 rating and USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 port for charging and data transfer. Samsung also launched its Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in India. This smartphone has 7.6-inch FHD plus 2K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, dynamic AMOLED 2X inner display, 6.3-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, dynamic AMOLED 2X outer display. It runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. It has 50 megapixel OIS plus 12 megapixel ultra wide plus 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom triple rear camera setup, 4 megapixel under display selfie snapper and 10 megapixel selfie snapper on the outer display. It has 4400 mAh battery, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.3, IP48 rating, NFC, S Pen support and USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 port for charging and data transfer. iQOO launched its iQOO Neo 9s Pro Plus with the 6.78-inch 80 LTPO OLED display in China at a starting price of 2899 yuan, that is around Rs 33,000. Realme will soon launch its Realme 13 Pro series and its official first look is here. This is all in today's Tech Talk. I hope you like it. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and please remember to wear the mask.